Within SOLIDWORKS, there are some shortcuts that you just can't live without. So the first one is a classic, and I'm sure most of you know it, but just in case, I'm going to introduce the S key. At a glance, the S key it's not much different than the context toolbar, but as you'll see, there are a few differences. The S key menu changes depending on whether you are within an assembly, part, drawing, or sketch. Within the S key menu bar, you can even search for other commands like this. Okay, section view. Once you have found the command you want, you can just add it to your menu bar by pressing the plus sign. And great. The D key is also another great shortcut while in sketch mode. It puts the exit sketch dialog box next to a mouse pointer, reducing the movement of the mouse. The spacebar is also a great tool for getting a handle on your view orientation. By pressing this, you bring out the orientation window, and this can be used to change the view of your sketch if needed. For instance, if you work with 3D sketches. You can also use the control spacebar to activate the view selector, if this is more to your liking. There are, of course, many more shortcuts, but these are just some of my favorites.